In the previous episode, we have learned to prepare one of the healthy recipes of Karnataka, and that is Nuchinunde. In this episode, we wish to share another healthy recipe from the state of Gujarat. This happens to be one of those recipes which has two different varieties from the same dish. Without any further ado, let us learn to prepare this beautiful, simple and tasty dish, Lauki ka Muthiya, at our homes. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. The basic ingredient to prepare this dish is Lauki or Bottle Gourd. So here we have taken 500 grams of grated bottle gourd into a mixing bowl. The first addition to this is half a cup, that is 100 grams of wheat flour, followed by the same quantity of Sooji Rava as well as the same quantity of gram flour. Once we have added equal quantities of wheat flour, Sooji Rava and the gram flour, next addition is 1 fistful of finely chopped coriander leaves. To enhance the flavors in our recipe, the next addition is 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida. After Asafoetida comes 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. To gather some heat in the dish, the next addition is 4 finely chopped green chillies. After green chillies comes 1/4 teaspoon of healthy dose of turmeric powder. Next in the list is 2 teaspoons of sugar. If you are someone who doesn't prefer sweetness in the dish, you can skip sugar. After adding sugar, we need 1 tablespoon of oil. Here we are adding olive oil for the recipe. Next in the list is juice of half a lemon to gather some citric flavor in the dish. After adding juice of half a lemon, the next in the list is a pinch of baking soda. The final addition for our recipe is our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add salt as per our taste before mixing all these ingredients thoroughly and finely. Don't be tempted to add any water, but if you find the mixture to be very moist, you can choose to add a little bit of gram flour. Here we have boiling water to steam the Muthiyas. And now we are choosing to steam the Muthiyas in a deep vessel. Before shaping and placing the Muthiyas in the vessel, let us smear some oil. Once we have our vessel ready, let us smear some oil to our palms, shape the Muthiyas gently and delicately, and then place them in the vessel. All we need to do now is to steam these for about 25 minutes on a medium flame. After about 40 minutes, we have perfectly steamed and cooked Muthiyas. By the way, the first stage of preparing the steamed Muthiyas is done. Steamed Muthiyas are healthy and truly delicious. But to make it even more tasty and snack-worthy, let us make teeny tiny pieces of our Lauki ka Muthiya once it has come to room temperature. The next step is to heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a heavy bottomed pan. Once the oil is hot, the first addition to our tempering is 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. The next addition to our tempering is obviously a fistful of fresh curry leaves. Now it is time to roast this on a medium flame till the sesame seeds turn golden in color and the curry leaves become a little crunchy. Once that happens, it is time to place the muthiyas into the pan and roast it on a medium flame till they turn golden and crispy from the outside. And the final step is to turn off the flames and add a fistful of finely chopped coriander leaves. This is it, my dear friends. In no time, we have steamed muthiyas as well as golden roasted, crispy and crunchy muthiyas. When this is served with tamarind chutney, it is a heaven on platter. If you like this recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.